Say, gang, this little youngin in this bitch. Finna go up, finna blow up in that hoe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you say? Watch it. I finna go crazy. How can I be gay? My Glock is gay. Cause it really blow, niggas. I'm for sure gon' show, niggas. I'm really gon' fucking hoe, niggas. These niggas be lagging. I'm fucking your bitch and packing. These niggas be capping out, just be smoking. I'm smoking in gas, plugs on my ass, hope it don't crack. Fucking your bitch, I hit the dash, yeah. These niggas be lagging, I'm fucking your babe, yeah. Underlay runway, had a bitch running on the runway for that dick. Nigga don't sleep, came in the beat with a stick, bitch, yeah. These niggas be capping, you know, tryna be slick. I pull up with that Glock, I'm gonna spin up on that block. I sent all the drop, you really is a op. If I catch your goofy ass outside, I'm killing your goofy ass, boy, you a goat. Boy, you really is a hoe. Damn, better hit that motherfucking dope, I make sure I hit the fucking floor. Yeah, put a bullet straight through a dome. Hell shit bleaking, hell shit leaking. Goofy ass nigga tryna make a name, false claiming on shit, ditching, doodle pussy. But I'm really in this bitch, nigga, and I came with 100 round. If I came with 100 round, pussy nigga better hit the fucking ground. Came in that bitch with a switch, and that bitch got an automatic dead like about 10 years. They told me fast money is the way to go to jail. Fast money get the slow time, so I took the harder way. Had to think this shit through, make it out then, make my own money. I leave your nose running today, not gonna be sunny.